Hey everyone, this is MANNAN Mohammed from REALTY Flower City Realty and the founder of Winners Group. Welcome to our newest listing at 21 Fern Valley Crescent in Brampton. This is a semi-detached house that blends luxury, style and investment potential. Let's have a look inside. Come on in. This 3+1 bedroom and 4 bath offers high-end finishes throughout the house with modern finishes and a spatial living for the whole family. Plus, this also has one fully finished basement with separate entrance and kitchen and a bath and a 1 bedroom. Thanks for watching the tour. Hope you loved it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, your local realtor MANNAN Mohammed, REALTY Flower City Realty and founder of Winners Group at 647-688-7000. See you soon.